How to log in to IBM Employee Service website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into the IBM Employee Service website. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up IBM Employee Login on your web browser. Just go ahead and search for this. And once you search for it, click on the first link that you see, login.ibm.com. Tap on that link and you'll be taken over directly to the login page. Provide your IBM ID. This will be your employee ID, and then tap on continue. If you want the browser to remember your ID, just tap on this remember me. Click on continue and provide your password. Now, if you want to view your password, tap the I button right besides it to view it and hide the password. Somehow, if you forgot it, tap on forgot password button down below the login icon. Provide your IBM ID and then click on continue. Then they will send you a code to the email associated with your ID and you just have to enter the code. Mind you, you just have 30 minutes before the code expires. So once you enter that code, you should be able to recover it. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.